Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Greg, and I'm a new beginning content creator, or I've started a YouTube channel, and I have been at it for, well, it was my New Year's resolution to start the channel, and so I have started, and I have been at it since January. Channel page. So we are going to go to my dashboard. And this is my dashboard. I have 27 subscribers, and the current latest video is currently 10 out of 10. Only has 10 views though, because I'm a new channel. And so let's get into my views by content. And so here. Let's just get into it. I have 68,943 views, or 944 impressions, and 1,677 views, and 53 hours of watch time towards my 4,000 hours. So at this rate, it's going to be a while, but it's a start, and I am really pleasantly surprised that I have gotten this far this quickly. I know there's a lot of videos out there. Oh, I got monetized in 2 weeks or 3 days or whatever. This is not that channel, but we are going to go through all my information. So I do have some notes. Excuse me for glancing off at my notes, but I want to be really transparent on all this information for all you new and upcoming YouTubers, or if you've been at this for a while, and a comparison rate to how you're doing or how I'm doing to how you're doing. All I can do is just tell you where I am at, and hopefully you will find this intriguing and challenging, and want to get into your thing. So with 27 subscribers and 1.8% overall click-through rate, that's telling me that YouTube is testing your videos with real audiences. So that's good. A lot of tiny channels don't even get impressions, which is kind of a bummer. But I have multiple videos getting 5,000 to 18,000 impressions, of which you see this Not Dumb, You Just Don't Know, or not, yeah, Not Dumb, You Just Don't Know, that's got almost 18,000 impressions. And sometimes we just don't know what questions to ask. 2% is weak packaging. If it's a 3 to 5% click-through rate, it's decent. And if you're 6 to 10% click-through rate, it's very strong. So we have, let's see if there's any 6 to 10% click-through rates. Well, there's a 5.9, which is my Did You Do Your Resolution, and 5.9, and then a 5.6, which is haters. It's about haters, people that are tearing you down, not wanting to start things. And I also have questions you didn't know you needed to ask. Got a 5.7. One thing that I have noticed is that this gray box right here, let's get this down out of the way. So this gray box right here is what the average is. And so when you see the blue line above that, obviously you're above average. And this is the challenge none video, and the retention rate, the average view duration is 44 seconds out of 3 minutes. Okay, so people don't seem to stick around on that, which shows me I need to have better content. And then my monetization video, which is all right, it's a little bit below average on the gray line here, and it has a not a steep drop-off rate, except for at the very end. And so when I watch this video, I should see what I did wrong and see if I can learn from it. And Be Yourself video, for a really short video. I'm surprised that as many people have stayed around. I almost have an hour of watch time over it. And this hint is also a short 3-minute video. And I think I need to work on making longer videos. But we can go through and look at all the rest of the videos, but they're pretty much going to be the same. And so let's go back to our studio and go to the analytics. Now on your analytics, you go up to the top right here to the advanced mode. Oh, this is also something else that I really find intriguing and find myself wasting time basically looking at, how many people. There was 1 viewer there, 2 viewers there, 4 viewers there, and it shows you on your current setup, like in the last 60 minutes or in the last 48 hours, as to how each video is doing. And it can get addictive. So I try to really watch out and not spend too much time in YouTube Studio. I do have it critique. Like I will go up to, let's see. So like this video here, I go to Ask YouTube Studio, and it's like, what changes can I make to better this video, but okay, let's just type that in, and it's going to review my request, and hopefully it won't be too brutal. But this is one of the nice things, like you can change the title, of which I have, and it's going to analyze the whole video for you and give you feedback, just in case if you have it's a very strong foundation. Your average view is 1 minute and 59 seconds. The average view percentage is 54.9, or both above typical for Greg Marrier, meaning that once people start watching, they find your message incredible, engaging, and stay for them more than half the video. Here are specific changes you can make to elevate your videos in the future. Okay, I can improve my initial hook. I know that is a really big hurdle I need to work on. My views are below the average, which I even unlisted this video for a while because it did so bad. In the first 2 days, I had 3 views, and I know 2 of those views were from me. So I unlisted it, but then I was thinking, no, I need to list this because I need people to watch it. I need to see how it's going to do so I can learn from it. These videos aren't just to tell people about how stuff is. It's also a learning tool for myself, because if I don't watch how crummy these videos are and the reactions they do or don't get, and then I can't ask YouTube Studio on what I can change and make better. I also use Chat GPT on some things for some helpful information, and it has helped. And but in advanced mode helps out a lot, and you can go back 90 days or just go to the last 7 days as to how things are going. In the last 7 days, I gained 1 subscriber, which is good. I'll take it. Not sure who it was or who it is, but welcome aboard if you're watching this video. And so the YouTube Studio, if you're unfamiliar with it or you use it in a different way, you can leave a comment down below. And if you have helpful information, I sure would appreciate it. Here's the last 365 days. So yeah, I started out at the end of November or December, and it took me 2 months to make my first video because I did not realize how hard it was to talk on a camera. And as you can see from my very first videos, I don't think I've ever been so scared in all my life. But it's getting to where I can comfortably sit here and go through my analytics with you and show you how I have been doing on these videos and the things that I've been learning. And hopefully you have been learning and following along. It's not hard to make a video. I do use Filmora, which is this. I currently don't have. Well, let's open a file. So I was going to do 5 places to start a video, but that kind of has just gone by the wayside at the moment. Okay, now I'm lost. So, let's see, what else can we look at? So this is a really bad, well, this is building confidence. This is below that gray line, but it's also brand new. It's only been out for a short while. Now, let's see, where is it? This video, my New Year's resolution, actually has a peak right here, which is really surprising. That's not a very good look, but the average percentage views is 69.9, which is surprising to me. And it has 3.5 hours of watch time with only 70 views. And so, again, I'm just learning. It has 724 impressions. And so the click-through rate is 5.9. And that falls into the .9 is decent to not very strong, but it's probably one of the best ones I have. And so a video, again, it's only 4.5 minutes long. So I just need to work on my storytelling ability. On my earn, and I'm not sure exactly what this 500 subscribers and 3 video uploads is. And I don't do shorts. I've been told I should, but I just haven't done it yet. But I have 27 subscribers out of 1,000, and I have 40 valid public watch hours towards 4,000. So, and I have 0 for short views, which I'm not even. I don't think I'd ever have anything on that, and so that's where I'm at on that. And content detection, I don't have that. Languages, I Apparently there's 21 different languages. I've had people comment that they've been watching from different countries, which is great. I'm surprised that that YouTube has pushed me out that far on videos. Oh, this is where you can go to see some comments. See here, I actually copied and pasted this into Google Translator, and I didn't even have to tell it what language it is because I didn't know, and it worked out great. And this here is my watch time hours, and you can go to subscribers to see what day the subscribers started, and here's for your views. And again, you have your views in the last 48 hours. Now you can also go, this is also YouTube Studio for questions that are asked commonly, I guess. And so these are still watching, I believe. Still watching after 30 seconds. 54%, 43%, and then you have 40%, and 37%, and 35%. So it's a growth. So like I said, if you have any interesting, or I mean, if you have any comments or tips that you'd like to give, I sure like to hear them down in the comments below. And again, my name is Greg. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for watching my YouTube Studio Analytics